Hi everyone, it's been a challenging time for all of us as we are still striving to bring our lives to normal after the COVID-19 outbreak that happened nearly 15 months ago. And we are still unsure as to what would happen or how things will unfold in the future, in the near future, as a lot of countries are still experiencing surge in COVID-19 cases, and a lot of us will be working from the basement of our homes. I am an educator and I know the challenges faced by teachers, whether it's giving a lecture or conducting a lab-based course in a remote learning environment. I've spent tremendous amount of time learning and studying on how to increase the student engagement in an online environment and provide students a virtual learning experience which is similar to that of a classroom experience. And I'd like to share this experience with all the teachers out there who have been working hard day and night to provide the quality education to their students. I am creating a video in which I'm going to show you how you can create customized scenes using OBS Studio, whether it be creating a scene for a lecture class or setting up a scene for a lab-based course where you would want to use multiple sources, multiple cameras, and other media sources to project on the screen. For example, when I'm teaching an electric circuit class, I like to project myself on the screen, as well as I like to use an overhead camera that focuses on my hand as I'm building the circuit. Creating such scene can exponentially increase the student engagement in a virtual classroom. This video will be released on June 20th, so stay tuned, and if you have not already, please subscribe to Electronics with Professor Mughal. Thank you for watching. Bye.